In this video, I will show you how to cut out and outline an image from a video clip using Photoshop. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. So the first thing I need to do is take a screenshot of the frame in the video I would like to use. There are multiple ways to take a screenshot, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Photoshop. I am going to bring the video into Photoshop by clicking File, then clicking Open. I am going to find the video I want to take the screenshot from, and I'm going to click Open. Once I have the video in Photoshop, I am going to move the playhead to the part of the video I want to capture. Then I'm going to click File, select Export, click Quick Export as PNG, then click Save. Once I save the screenshot, I'm going to close out the video that I opened in Photoshop. Now I'm going to open the image I just captured from the video by clicking File, then clicking Open, go to where I saved the image, select the image and click Open. Now I'm going to use the pen tool to make a path around the portion of the image I want to use. If you don't know how to use the pen tool, I have a video showing you how. I will put a link to that video on the screen. Once I'm finished outlining the image with the pen tool, I am going to right-click on the image, then click Make Selection. I am going to leave the feather radius at 0 pixel, then click OK. Then I'm going to click the Object Selection tool, then click Select and Mask. I am going to increase the smooth setting to help smooth the edges. Under Output Setting, I am going to select New Layer. Click OK. Now I have a cutout of the image, so now I can apply the outline. I am going to make sure the cutout image layer is selected. Then click the Add Layer Style icon. Select Stroke. Under Size, I am going to adjust the size of the thickness. I am going to set the position to outside. Here is where I can adjust the color of the outline. Once I am done with the stroke settings, I am going to click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Also, make sure to check out some of my other Photoshop tutorials.